Semi-automatic addressing. The other type of addressing that can be done is through the panel itself. Again, we enter access level 3. Enter the code 333333. We select the loop we will address. We activate it again. We select Initialization and press the Manual Addressing button. From here, we have two options, Manual and Semi-automatic. We choose Semi-automatic. The devices are not mounted yet, and we start addressing them. We place the first device, the fire alarm panel. FP9000A-2 sees it. We give it the first available address. We place the second device, the fire alarm panel. FP9000A-2 sees it and gives it the next available address. The third device, it is also seen and is given an available address. When all the devices are placed, we exit the menu and the devices are addressed.